The 2025 double-decker King Aire is a marvel of modern RV engineering, designed for those who demand the absolute best in luxury, comfort, and innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on this motorhome, its commanding presence is undeniable. Built on the robust Spartan K3 chassis, it exudes strength and sophistication, with a sleek aerodynamic profile that cuts through the wind effortlessly. The full-body paint options allow for deep, lustrous finishes and custom hues, ensuring that no two King Aires look exactly alike. The dual-pane frameless windows not only enhance the exterior's streamlined appearance, but also provide superior insulation, keeping the interior quiet and temperature-controlled no matter the weather outside. Stepping closer, the attention to detail becomes even more apparent. The automated patio awning extends with a quiet hum, revealing integrated LED lighting that sets the perfect mood for outdoor relaxation. The power retractable entry stairway welcomes you aboard with seamless ease, while the weatherproof outdoor entertainment center, complete with a high-definition TV, premium sound system, and even a mini fridge, transforms any campsite into a personal lounge. For those who love to cook and dine al fresco, the optional exterior kitchenette, complete with an induction cooktop, sink, and storage, makes outdoor meals a breeze. The King Aire's exterior is also designed for practicality. High-capacity aisle. Storage bays with electric locks provide ample space for gear, while the hydraulic leveling system ensures stability on any terrain. The rear-view camera system, complete with night vision and a 360-degree bird's-eye view, makes maneuvering this massive vehicle surprisingly manageable. Even the fuel and utility ports are thoughtfully placed for easy access, demonstrating Newmar's commitment to blending luxury with functionality. Interior, a masterclass in luxury living. If the exterior impresses, the interior downright astonishes. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by an open, airy space that feels more like a high-end penthouse than an RV. The double-decker design maximizes square footage, offering over 1,500 square feet of living space, unheard of in most motorhomes. The main level features a spacious salon with ultra-plush leather seating, a residential-style kitchen, and a dining area that rivals fine restaurants. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with top-tier appliances including a full-size refrigerator, convection microwave, and a gas range with a custom vent hood. Quartz countertops provide ample workspace, while the soft, close cabinetry ensures everything stays in place, even on the move. A central island with bar seating adds both functionality and a social hub for gatherings. Adjacent to the kitchen, the living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. A massive U-shaped sofa faces a retractable 4K Ultra HD TV with surround sound, creating a home theater experience. The electric fireplace adds warmth and ambiance, making it the perfect spot to unwind after a day of travel. The King Aire's true showstopper, however, is its upper deck. Accessed via a sleek internal staircase, some models even offer an elevator option. This space can be customized as a master suite, an office, or an entertainment lounge. The most popular configuration features a sprawling bedroom with a king-sized bed, dual wardrobes, and a private balcony. Yes, a balcony, where you can enjoy morning coffee with panoramic views. The ensuite bathroom rivals those in five-star hotels with a walk-in rain shower, heated floors, and even a washer-dryer combo for ultimate convenience. Technology and innovation. Smart living on wheels. Newmar has packed the 2025 King Aire with enough technology to satisfy even the most tech-savvy travelers. A fully integrated smart control system allows you to manage lighting, climate, security, and entertainment from a single touchscreen panel or even your smartphone. Voice-activated assistants like Alexa are seamlessly integrated, so you can adjust settings without lifting a finger. The advanced climate control system ensures perfect temperatures throughout the RV, with separate zones for the upper and lower levels. High-efficiency insulation and thermal pane windows keep energy consumption low, while solar panel options provide off-grid capability for extended boondocking adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The King Aire comes with adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance systems, and lane keeping assist to make long drives less stressful. A built-in Wi-Fi booster ensures strong connectivity even in remote areas, and the backup generator guarantees power is never an issue. Performance, power, and precision. Under the hood, the King Aire is just as impressive. The Spartan K3 chassis provides a smooth, stable ride, while the 605-horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine delivers effortless acceleration and towing capacity. An upgraded air ride suspension absorbs road imperfections, making it feel like you're gliding rather than driving. Despite its size, the King Aire handles surprisingly well, thanks to its precise steering and advanced braking system. The inclusion of a tag axle improves weight distribution and cornering stability, ensuring confidence on winding roads. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a vehicle of this class, and the large diesel tank allows for fewer stops on long hauls. Final thoughts: the ultimate rolling estate. The 2025 double-decker King Aire isn't just an RV, it's a statement. It's for those who refuse to sacrifice the comforts of home while exploring the open road. Every inch of this motorhome has been meticulously designed, from the opulent interiors to the cutting-edge technology and robust performance. Of course, such luxury comes at a price, with the King Aire sitting at the very top of the RV market. But for those who can afford it, there's simply nothing else like it. Whether you're a full-time RVer seeking a mobile mansion or a luxury traveler looking for the ultimate road trip experience, the King Aire delivers in every possible way. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. And for those who demand the best, nothing else will do.